Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel, and today I am doing an unboxing video of this Samsung Galaxy smartwatch. It's a 42mm Bluetooth smartwatch from Samsung. So today I am going to unbox this for you guys, and I am also having the 46mm Galaxy smartwatch. It's both are same basically, it's just a size difference. So I am also going to compare this with the 46mm one compared to the 42mm one. So just stay with me to see that. So let me first unbox this new 42mm Samsung Galaxy smartwatch, right? So let me open the box first. So after opening box, you greet with the amazing looking smartwatch from Samsung. So let me pull down this first. Okay, so it's nicely fitted inside the box. It's very beautiful. Build quality is really nice, and Samsung also provide this rotary dial on it that's do a lot of stuff. Once I boot up, I will show you. So let me put side for a minute. Now let's open the other content of the box. So you get a extra strap. I think it's for the size purpose. If you have the smaller hand, then you might need to fit this one. It's a rubbery strap, so quality is okay. If you want a better quality one, then you can buy it external from the online like Amazon store or something. You get many choices to select from it, so you can buy it extra if you want. Then you get a manual that I am not going to read for now. You get charger, then there is a charging station for the watch that you also get. Let me open that for you. So you get like this charging station where you can charge your Galaxy smartwatch. So that's all you guys get in this box. So the box is now empty. So hope you guys get an idea about what you get when you buy this watch. So let me put that aside for a minute and let me boot up for the first time. Before that, let me compare it with the 46mm one. So as you can see, the size different. If you want to compare, you can check out how big it is. I can show you from the close, so you get an idea. You get a little bit more screen space when you buy 46 one, but it's not a major difference. If you wanted to buy it for the female, then definitely go with this one. If you want to buy it for like a male, then this is a good choice. So you can see the difference. From back I can also show you, and from back also it's a look same, exactly same. It's nothing like different, it's same basically. Okay, now I am going to start for the first time. Okay, so it get greet with the Samsung Galaxy watch. So it's booting up, still booting up. Now it's saying let's go. Let's go. So now it's showing get started in the Galaxy wearable app on your phone. So I need to connect it with my phone. So I already make a video for the 46mm one, so I am going to attach that video in this video, so you get a basically idea how you can set up this Galaxy smartwatch. So now I am having both my phone and the Galaxy watch together. So now I am going to set up for the first time. It just detected the Galaxy watch right away, so it automatically detect like this. So now you just need to connect, that's it. So it will download some application from the online. Setting up your Galaxy watch, I don't think so it's difficult. Very easy and straightforward process. So they basically now are asking for the allow access for the Galaxy wearable to access this device location. So yes, allow, everything allow. So now it's setting up, as you can see. Let's pair it up. So now you can see it asking for the pairing code. Tap to connect. Check your phone to complete the setup. Connect. So it's look like the phone is connected with the smartwatch. So this is the first time it's setting up, so they are doing some process. Just finishing the pairing with the smartwatch, I think. So it's almost done. I think it's installing some application in the watch. It's saying that check your phone to complete the setup. So now it's greet with this message: congrats on your new Galaxy Watch. Tap to continue, read and agree the end user license. So I just need to agree the end user license. So agree. So now it's asking for the check out the following option if you want the voice service. So select all and just next. Restore. So it's also asking, you can also take a backup of your smartwatch. So restore your smartwatch backup if you already have. So I just skip for now because I don't have any previous backup. Okay, so I just skip for now. So finally it's showing the user interface on my phone for the Galaxy Watch. As you can see, it's having the battery life of the 75% right now. So there is some useful information about how to use your smartwatch: notifications, app, widget, sounds, vibration, display, advanced, add contact to your watch. So there are a bunch of things you can do it from this app. So you can use this app basically to control your smartwatch. I'm not going in detail right now, but because this is the first time I am installing and setting up the smartwatch, so I also need to learn few things before I can explain to you. So this is your home screen. If you wanted to go to your home screen, you just need to press this button, so it will send it back to your home screen. And if you wanted to see the app, press that again, you get app. So this is how it works. So this is your main home screen. When you rotate right, it will view through all the application and widget you have on your smartwatch. So just rotate right like this. It will show all the widget, apps, everything, right? And just click on this to go to home again. And when you rotate left, it will show the notification and other app, the recent app that you have, the most recent app that you open. It's also support the Samsung Pay, so if you wanted to use that, you can also do that if you want. It also has the Samsung Internet app. There are plenty of apps support from the Samsung App Store to view more. So this is basically how it works. So you get idea. So what you need to do when you have it. Okay guys, so this is the stuff you get when you buy this smartwatch. Hope you guys get an idea of and you like my unboxing video. And if you do like the unboxing video of mine, then please like, share and subscribe for more video like this. That definitely helped me a lot. So I am currently at around 420 subscribers. I am hoping it get 1000 subscribers soon. So please support this channel to grow more. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye. Peace.